Alright guys, hopefully you already took that quiz from last Thursday. I think you're going to like today multiplying fractions. So, we're going to simplify up and down along diagonals if possible. This will make your last step easier, okay? So simplify up and down along diagonals. And then we're going to multiply numerators to get a new numerator. We usually get new numerators with addition and subtraction too, right? But this time, instead of having to find common multiples and common denominators, we're just going to multiply the denominators to get a new denominator. Remember, that's the bottom number. So then, we have to simplify if needed. But typically, if you've done a good job simplifying up there, you may not have to. Lastly, okay? So find each product. So 3/8 times, remember a dot can be your multiplication sign, or a parenthesis, or an X. So if we were simplifying up and along the diagonals, these would be diagonals. So I can take 3 out of 3 and 3 out of 6. So if I divided both by 3, I would have 1 here and 2 here. So now when I multiplied across, I'd have 1 times 5 is 5. And I would have 8 times 2 is 16. So now, since we simplified before, we don't have to simplify again this time. What if I had 2/5 times, or let's write it like this, 7/8. I could say, I could take 2 out of itself and 2 out of 8. So see, whatever I do to across the diagonal, I can do the same. So I could say this was 1 and this was 4. So 1 times 7 is 7. 5 times 4 is 20. That's it, guys. So let's look at a couple more. 2/3 times 1/2. I could take 2 out of both of these, and I would have 1/3. How about 3/8 times 2/9? I could take 3 out of here 1 time and out of here 3 times. I can take 2 out of here once and out of here 4 times. Well, that makes our multiplying a lot easier. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 3 is 12. See how that makes our simplifying at the end a lot easier? Alright, I want you guys to try 2/5 times 10/14. Pause your video and give that a go. Alright, so you can take 2 out of here once and 2 out of here 7 times. You can take 5 out of here once and out of here twice. So you have 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. Fabulous, guys. Give today a go. Let me know if you need anything. Happy Monday.